Have you ever wondered about the ingredients needed to make an impeccable meatloaf? The savory, hearty dish that stirs up memories of family dinners and warm evenings spent at home? Well, today is your fortunate day because we're about to break down the essentials that go into creating this classic comfort food. For a truly exceptional meatloaf, the ingredients you'll need are as follows. 1. 2 pounds of quality ground beef, the star of your meatloaf. The quality of the beef directly impacts the flavor of your dish. 2. A cup of breadcrumbs. These help bind the meatloaf together, creating a firm yet tender texture. 3. 2 beaten eggs. These also help bind your meatloaf and add moisture to the dish. 4. Half a cup each of finely chopped onion and green bell pepper. These veggies not only add flavor, but also provide a bit of texture to your meatloaf. 5. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. This brings out the natural flavors of all the ingredients. 6. A quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. This adds a touch of heat and depth to the dish. 7. 2 tablespoons of mustard. This gives your meatloaf a tangy kick that cuts through the richness of the meat. 8. A third of a cup of ketchup. This adds sweetness and a bit of acidity to balance out the flavors. 9. A dash of Worcestershire sauce. This brings a complex savory flavor to your meatloaf that takes it from good to great. As with any dish, remember that the secret to a great meatloaf lies in the quality of the ingredients and the balance of flavors. Enjoy the process and, even more importantly, enjoy your delicious homemade meatloaf.